Hello students, in this video you will learn decimal representation. Decimal representation means, see, there are so many types of decimals are there. Maybe one is terminating decimal number, another is non-terminating recurring decimal number, another is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal numbers are there. Here one by one we will just learn. See, first one is which is actually terminating decimal number. What does it mean? Number, sir, and decimal number that ends after a finish of digits, that is after the finite number of digits called a terminating decimal number, number of digits. Example like this, say suppose 1 by 4. After a finite number of digits it is getting terminated 0.025. This is actually this is the number 1 by 4. 2 by 5 it is coming 0.4. This is terminating. And a rational number p by q expressible as a terminating decimal number only when the prime factors of q, that is the denominator, are only 2 and 5 only. That is, if the denominator of any rational number, if it is the multiple of 2, 5 or 2 and 5, then those rational numbers are actually terminating. So without actual division it can be possible to conclude that is a decimal number, that is a that rational number will be terminating or non-terminating. Suppose I am just taking one rational number 13 by 80. Here denominator is 80. 80 can be expressed in the form of 16 into 5, 16 equal to 2 to the 4 into 5. So there is no other factor other than 2 and 5. So this is terminating. In this way, this is 7 by 24. The denominator is 24. This prime factorization we are just getting 2 cube into 3. That is 3 is other than 2 and 5. So this is actually non-terminating. Here is 5 by 12 is another number I am just taking. This is denominator is 12. 3 into 2 square. That is 3 has come other than 2 and 5. So this is non-terminating. Is next number what I talked to you, that is the after terminating this it may be repeating also. It may not be terminating. So repeating or recurring number, what does it, or decimal, what does it mean? Suppose 4 by 3. If you are just dividing 4 by 3, it is coming, say, it will be coming 1.33333. We can express this as actually 1.3. This is actually bar, means bar, or you can just put sometimes this is a point over here. This is actually just telling that this is a recurring number, and this 3 number is repeating repeatedly, infinitely. So this can be expressed like this, that is 1.3 recurring. Another number I am just taking, this is 11 by 7. So if I am just doing the normal division, you will just get, see, this is up to this 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8. Then once again 5, 7 is coming. So these numbers are actually just getting a long chain over here. After that the same it's repeating over here. So this type of, this length of the numbers is actually called the period of this recurring number. This is actually called the period. Now the number of the length of the period is actually here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So the length of the period of this number is 6. Here length of the period was 1. Now if I am just taking you, that is in the other way. Suppose this number is given, that is the recurring number is given, you have to find it out in the fractional form, that is p by q form. How can you just do that? See, I am just taking the same problem over here, then you can tally over here. See, express this 1.3 recurring as a fraction, that is p by q form. Solution. Let this number is actually, this number is x. The x is actually, what does it mean? 1.3333, this is just continuing up to infinite. The length of the period is 1. So we need to just multiply this x into by 10. So 10 into x, it is coming 13.3333, and this is x is 1.333. If I am just now deducting from here, this is 9x has come, and this part is just wiped out. So here it is coming 12. So this x equal to 12 by 9, it is coming 4 by 3. And this is the number which is actually just, we have just done this the other way. We are just taking another problem from your exercise, that is exercise 1b number 3.8. It is a little bit bigger number. I am just showing you how to just do this number also. If it is not, it is the number with the decimal of recurring part, that is the period, as well as after decimal some number may be, or the digits may be there. Here it is given 0.3178 recurring. Here x equal to this, I just take over here, and this is after this without the recurring one decimal point is there, so we need to just multiply this one with 10x, that is, it will be coming 3.178, it will be coming 178 because this is the recurring. Now after just putting over here, and it will be just multiply once again, the x will be multiplied from once again, that is from here to here, and it is coming 10,000x. So 10,000x, it will be coming 3178.178, it will go on. 10x equal to 3.178. Now see, you have to just do like this, that is the after decimal point, the recurring part, it will be just, whenever it will be deducted, it will be just wiped out. So you will just get the, that is the integer part. So here it is coming, this is 9990x equal to, this is 3175. You are just, therefore x will be this, and this cut it off by 5, it will be coming 635 divided by 1998. Exercise, I do believe 1B exercise, all these are things about over here. Try to solve all this problem. I believe you can just do and can solve these problems. Thank you very much.